we're in tax season, so let's talk extensions. So this is something that often trips people up or things that people get confused about. So extension. If you are a small business, so an S Corp or a partnership, your business tax return is due March 15th. If you like, obviously your personal tax return is due April 15th. Now, in both situations, you can file an extension and have 6 more months to file your tax return. That filing is an important distinction. We'll talk about that in a second. So for S Corps or partnerships, you get a 6 month extension till September 15th. And for your individual tax return, you get a 6 month extension until October 15th. Now, let me tell you what extensions don't do. Extensions don't give you any more time to pay your taxes. Now, specifically, we're talking about your personal taxes because generally S Corps and partnerships don't owe money. Those taxes or the income flows through, they're called flow through entities, flow through to you personally, and you pay your taxes at the personal level. So let's talk about your individual taxes. When you owe money, as of April 15th, if you don't estimate it and pay it in, like make an extension payment, you might have heard that term. Anything you don't pay, when you ultimately file your return, the IRS is going to calculate penalties and interest running from April 15th. Now, those penalties and interest are over 10% annually. So it can be pretty steep depending upon the balance you have. So I always recommend, and we work with our clients because we work with them closely throughout the year. We're paying quarterly. Sometimes we have to adjust as we get to April 15th. Maybe we were short a little bit, but we always have them pay in or know the amount. Some clients elect to say, you know what, I'd rather not pay. My money's making more money in this investment or in the market. But we at least have told them what they owe because, as I mentioned, extensions only extend the time to file. They don't give you any more time to pay. So a best practice would be estimate what you owe, pay it in, and avoid the penalties of over 10% by not paying as of April 15th. If you do that, coupled with paying quarterly, you make tax season a breeze. You'll know what you owe, have it paid in, and you'll avoid penalties and also late filing.